everything. Welcome to English with Chanroth. Okay, before we start our lesson, don't forget to hit subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell. You can stay up to date with all the latest lessons. Now, let's get started with our lesson. In today's lesson, you'll learn how to use subject and object pronouns. Which is correct? You and I or you and me. So, we use personal pronoun in English. Now, when a pronoun is the subject of the sentence in English, we use I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. But when it is the object of the verb or object of the prepositions, we use object pronouns. Me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. For example, they gave us some books and we gave them some money. They gave us some books. They gave us some books. They, subject, gave, verb, us, object. We gave them some money. We gave them some money. We, subject, gave, verb, them, object. Or, I teach her English and she teaches me math. I teach her English. I teach her English. I, subject, teach, verb, her, object. She teaches me math. She teaches me math. So, she, subject, teaches, verb, me, object. So, now practice subject pronouns with me. Subject pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Good job! Okay, so now let's practice object pronouns with me. Object pronouns. Me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. Awesome! So now I hope you know subject and object pronouns. Next, when to use I or me. I and me are both first-person pronouns that a writer or speaker uses to refer to him or herself. But, contrary to popular belief, one is not better than the other. Instead, they just do different job, as I replace subjects and me replace objects. When to use I and when to use me. They just do different jobs. I is a subject pronouns, while me is an object pronouns. And their usage depends on the structures of the sentence you are writing or speaking. So let's take a look at the examples. I talked to her yesterday. I talked to her yesterday. So, talked is the verb, as it is the main action in the sentence. But, who is doing the talking? That's I, which is the subject of the sentence. She gave me a book yesterday. She gave me a book yesterday. So, gave is the verb, as it is the main action in the sentence, but me, who is given, is the object. Now let's talk about you. You can be used as a subject pronoun or object pronoun. For example, you called me yesterday. You called me yesterday. So you is the subject of the sentence. While I'll talk to you later, to is a preposition, and you is used after a preposition. So it is used as an object. So make sure you can use you as a subject and object. What about you and I? You and I is a subject, and you and me is the object. For example, which is correct? Sentence A or sentence B? Sentence A. You and I talked to the principal about online course. Sentence B. You and me talked to the principal about the online course. Which is correct? Sentence A is correct because you and I is the subject of the sentence. Next one. Which is correct? Sentence A or sentence B? Sentence A. The principal talked to you and I about online course. Sentence B. The principal talked to you and me about online course. Which is correct? Sentence B is correct because to in the sentence is a preposition. And after the preposition, we use object pronoun. So you and me is correct. The best way to work out if you should be using you and I or you and me is to just take away you and see if the sentence sounds right with just I or me. Sentence A. I talked to the principal about online course. Sentence B. Me talk to the principal about online course. Which one sounds right? Repeat sentence A and sentence B. Sentence A. I talked to the principal about online course. Sentence B. Me talk to the principal about online course. I hope you see the difference, right? Sentence A is correct. I talked to the principal about online course. Now whether we use you and I or you and me depends on whether we talk about subjects of the sentence or object of the verb or preposition. For example, you and I or you and me should spend more time together. Imagine, me should. This is clearly wrong. Imagine, I should. Correct. So the right answer is you and I should spend more time together. Another example, he should speak to you and I or to you and me. Imagine, he should speak to me. Correct? Imagine, he should speak to I. Wrong. So the right answer is he should speak to you and me. I hope you won't make mistake, will you? And of course, don't forget you and I, we, and you and me, us. So, if you're confused, use we or us. Easy. Now, let's practice what you've learned today. Number 1. Him did his homework. Him did his homework. Right or wrong? So sentence number 1 is wrong. Him should be he, because he is the subject pronoun, while him is the object pronouns. Him did his homework is wrong. So the right answer is he did his homework. He did his homework. Number 2. You should give this project to him and I to finish. Right or wrong? Wrong. I should be me, because it is the object of the sentence and therefore must be written in the object pronouns me. You should give this project to him and I to finish is wrong. You should give this project to him and me to finish is right. Number 3. I accidentally hit they with a bucket of water. Right or wrong? Wrong. They should be them, because them is the object pronouns and it is them who are receiving the main action. I accidentally hit they with a bucket of water. Wrong. So the right answer is I accidentally hit them with a bucket of water. So remember, subject pronouns I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. And you and I also subject. So object pronouns me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. And you and me also object. And don't forget, you and I, we. You and me, us. Thanks for watching our video. If you love it, then you're watching our video. Now we have lots of video, and we don't want you to miss any of them. So hit subscribe and you'll never miss one of them. I'm Chanroth and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye everyone.